So solution of simple oscillator, differential equation of simple harmonic oscillator, this is the same equation 3. In order to get, this is the imaginary solution, this is not a perfect solution, just let x is equal to c e to the power alpha t. This is equation number 4. Simple harmonic oscillator, this is equation 3. So this is the general, this is the assuming solution, x is equal to c e to the power alpha t, equation number 4, where c and alpha are the constants. Differentiating equation 4 with respect to t, so dx by dt, so c constant as it is, dx by de alpha t by dt, so this is d e to the power ax, a e to the power ax, so alpha e to the power alpha t, c alpha e to the power alpha t, this is equation number 5. New students, up to here, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Anyone? It's okay.
No, sir.
Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So differentiating equation 5 with respect to t. So d by dt of this equation 5, we can write to d square x by dt square. This is c alpha as it is. D by dt of e to the power alpha t, that is alpha e to the power alpha t. Alpha into alpha, alpha square, remaining e to the power alpha t as it is. This is equation number 6. Now substituting this equation 4, 6 in equation 3. Equation 3, d square x by dt square, at the place of d square x by dt square, we can substitute c alpha square e to the power alpha t. So plus, as it is plus, this is omega square e to the power alpha t, c e to the power alpha t. So c e to the power alpha t common factor remaining alpha square plus omega square is equal to 0. So alpha square plus omega square is equal to 0. Either this one is equal to 0 or e to the power alpha t is equal to 0. But e to the power c e to the power alpha t is not equal to 0 because that is x value. We are not taking x is equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0. So alpha square plus omega square is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to minus omega square. Alpha is equal to root of minus omega square. Root of minus 1, that is I. So this is alpha is equal to plus or minus I omega. Depending on these alpha values, plus value and minus value, it has two values. Alpha has two values. X is equal to c e to the power plus I omega t. X is equal to c e to the power minus I omega t. So the linear combination of which will be give the general solution. So this is the perfect solution. This is the general solution. X is equal to some constant c1 e to the power I omega t plus c2 e to the power minus I omega t. This is the linear combination. So equation 7. Equation 7 can be written as x is equal to c1 e to the power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta. So c1 cos omega t plus I sin omega t plus, so c2 constant as it is, e to the power minus I theta, so cos theta minus I sin theta. In that form, I wrote here cos omega t minus I sin omega t. So common factor c1 plus c2, you observe here c1 cos omega t, c2 cos omega t, we can take the common c1 plus c2, common factor cos omega t, so remaining c1 plus c2, plus I sin omega t minus I c1 sin omega t minus I c2 sin omega t. So sin omega t common factor, these are the IC1 minus IC2, equation number 8. Let this C1 plus C2 is equal to A sin delta, IC1 minus IC2 is equal to A cos delta. Now substituting above values, these two values in equation 8. So C1 plus C2, that is A sin, you see here x is equal to A sin delta, at the place of C1 plus C2, A sin delta, remaining cos omega t plus, this is A cos delta sine omega t. So x is equal to common factor A. This is sine omega t cos delta plus cos omega t sine delta.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, why we took C1 plus C2 is equal to A sine delta, sir?
Always that constant is equal to amplitude. We are taking displacement in simple harmonic motion, particle displacement, generally without initial phase A sine theta. So depending on this sine curve, for example, that is the amplitude. This is the resultant amplitude A. Resultant amplitude. Always we take simple harmonic motion. In simple harmonic motion related A sine something. So this constant, this is amplitude and some sine of angle. So C1 plus C2 is equal to A sine delta. Here, I C1 minus I C2, some A cos delta, depending on this amplitude. We take sine and cos. So substituting here, we get x is equal to A sine omega t plus delta, because this is sine of A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So x is equal to A sine omega t plus delta. This is equation number 9. So above equation 9 gives the displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion at any instant of time. Any instant of time. This equation is known as the solution of equation of simple harmonic oscillator. Okay. Is it clear your doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the d square x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Thus it is the second order differential equation. That is the equation of motion. So that equation of motion solution, perfect solution, x is equal to A sine omega t plus